Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best potato salad. First, select about 2 pounds of waxy potatoes, like Yukon Golds or red potatoes, as they hold their shape well. Boil them in salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, let them cool completely, then peel and cut them into 1-inch cubes. This foundational step ensures your salad has the perfect texture. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick. Next, fold in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion, adding a delightful crunch. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. With your dressing ready, it's time to combine everything. Gently fold the creamy dressing into your cooled, cubed potatoes, ensuring every piece is coated. For an extra layer of richness and texture, stir in 2 chopped hard-boiled eggs. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your potato salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the flavors to fully meld and develop. Before serving your delicious potato salad, give it a final flourish. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or chives for a vibrant color and fresh aroma. Take a moment to taste and adjust any seasonings, adding a pinch more salt or pepper if desired, ensuring it's perfectly balanced. This simple step elevates your salad to gourmet status. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.